Guys, we decided to do part 3 because part 2 was kind of boring and Jordan kept losing to Johnson. Okay, round 4. Johnson said he can beat Jordan again. 3, 2, 1, go. Miss. Oh, he almost got him. Miss. Reloading. The freak? You gonna get the bullet from the street? Hello, he's coming. Okay.
Yes!
It's okay. Jordan won this round. Finally. Okay. For the first time in the first 4 rounds, Jordan finally won. Jordan, round 5. Oh my gosh, what happened to your stomach? There's rashes.
Look, it has $20.
Do round 5, Jordan. Okay, we're gonna do round 5.
Guys,
For the first time, Jordan won. Johnson has 3 wins, Jordan has 1 win. Okay,
Jordan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game start. Miss. This guy is Ola, he's Samoan. Oh, okay. I got him in the shoe. Miss again.
Oh shit. Got it! Sammy, I got it!
Jordan. Whoa, missing.
Start shots in.
Oh no, out of ammo.
I
He got him. Jordan won again. Went to the street.
Can you find it?
They went to the street.
Can you get him?
I'll just give you.
1, 2 times.
And Johnson won 3 times.
Now it's the 7th round.
Now this is the 6th round.
6th round of fun.
Let me throw the ammo attachment.
I'm missing 2 green right here. Ola, can you break the part for the under part?
Right there in the grass.
Where? Ola.
Okay guys, see you in part 4. Please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. See you in part 4, Jordan. Say hi.
Bye.